Top 100 Current Affairs 2020 for RRB NTPC. Selective and most expected questions. Start now. Armed Force Flag Day is observed on 7th December since the year. Armed Force Flag Day. Year 1949. The Government of India renamed National Rural Employment Guarantee Program to Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA on dash MGNREGA 2009, 2nd October 2009. Which of the following is the largest free meal program by any corporate foundation globally? Largest free meal corporate foundation. Mission Anna Seva. When is the Civil Defence Day celebrated in India? 6 December, 7 December, 8 December, 9 December. Civil Defence Day 6 December. The aim of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin scheme is to have 2 crore 95 lakh houses by Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin scheme. 2 crore 95 lakh houses by 2022. Which state has launched a Cyber Safe Women initiative under which awareness campus will be held across all the districts of the state regarding cyber safe? Cyber Safe Women camps all the districts regarding cyber safety. Maharashtra. The Chief Minister of which state has sanctioned rupees 25 lakh each to all the 28 districts of the state for the prevention of COVID-19 infection? Rupees 25 lakh each, all district, 28 district. Chhattisgarh. The day is commemorated on late APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary, since he was a dedicated teacher and identified himself foremost in the role before anything else. When is the World Students' Day celebrated? APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. World Students' Day 15 October. Which state has launched the Birsa Harit Gram Yojana, Nilambar Pitambar Jal Samriddhi Yojana and the Poto Ho Khel Vikas Yojana in 2020? Birsa Harit Gram Yojana, Nilambar Pitambar Jal Samriddhi Yojana. Poto Ho Khel Vikas Yojana Jharkhand. PM Modi announced an economic package of dash in May 2020 to fight the coronavirus pandemic under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Economic package, coronavirus pandemic, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. 10 lakh crore, 10% of GDP. 20 lakh crore, 20 lakh crore, 10% of Indian GDP. 20 lakh crore. Which of the following ministries has launched a dashboard on its website to provide details of dhabas and truck? Dhaba and truck. Ministry of Road and Transport Highways. Road Transport and Highways. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. When was the Navy Day observed? Navy Day, 4th December. By which year has the Union government set an ambitious target to achieve 50% gross enrollment ratio in higher education to equip its working population with employable skills? 50% gross enrollment ratio, higher education, 50% gross enrollment ratio, working population, employable skill, 2030. When is the World Tsunami Awareness Day observed? World Tsunami Awareness Day, 5th November. AIM, Niti Aayog and UNDP India has jointly launched dash to accelerate youth-led social entrepreneurship and innovation in India. AIM, Niti Aayog, UNDP India has jointly launched to accelerate youth-led social entrepreneurship and innovation. Youth Collab. Who among the following is the winner of the annual Hemingway Award 2020? Hemingway Award 2020. Ruchika Tomar. My Life, My Mission is an autobiography of dash. My Life, My Mission, autobiography. Baba Ramdev. When is the Public Service Broadcasting Day celebrated? Public Service Broadcasting Day. Public Service Broadcasting Day, 12th November. Who has received the first Gauri Lankesh National Award for Journalism? Gauri Lankesh National Award. Gauri Lankesh National Award, Journalism. Ravish Kumar. The book A New India Selected Writings 2014 to 19, an authoritative account of the policies and decision made by PM Narendra Modi government, contains completion of selected writings of whom? A New India Selected Writings 2014 to 19. Policies and decision made by PM Narendra Modi government. Arun Jaitley. When is the National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, observed? National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Rashtriya Ekta Divas 31st October. Who among the following is the winner of Pulitzer 2020 in drama category? Drama category Pulitzer Prize 2020 drama category. Which drama? A Strange Loop. Drama category Michael R. Jackson. Who among the following is the author of the book A Soul Tie? A Soul Tie. Jhumpa Lahiri, Apurva Singh, Sandeep Dadia, Satyarth Nayak. Part 1 video. To watch part 2 video, go to Seat Share for West Bengal Student playlist.